All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Mustang. It is the EcoBoost premium package with I think 14,000 miles. It's beautiful black with the black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, fog lights, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage on this beautiful motherfucker. Bumper looks good. Your hood looks pretty good. Your fender here looks nice. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. Does have some curbing. I'm gonna say a 10 or more just to engulf all that. Your tire tread is over 7/32. This door looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. And here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing on that one. And your tire tread is just at the line of 7/32. Let me double check it. Yep, just at the line. You see it a little bit under it. Here's your rear passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Here's your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Of course, it has power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. It is a powered seat with a lumbar. Very nice. Sharp. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. All right, we just took it to the Ford dealership, so everything checked out on this vehicle. AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. That's looking nice. You got your backup camera, got your AC controls. It's got heated and cooling seats. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 14,590. And of course, you can always change these colors, which is a pretty cool thing. You can change it blue, you can change it red, you can change it orange, you can change it yellow. It's got a whole array of colors. Anyway, open up the trunk. Turn on the lights. Fog lights. Boom. That's your rear bumper. Seems to have a heavy scratch here. Yeah, heavy scratch here. About 3 inches. Coming around, we got some scratches on the bumper here. I'll say multiple scratches just to engulf the rear bumper. Your deck lid looks pretty good. Here's your trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty nice. There is a spare tire here with some tools. Your front fender, your quarter here does have a dent there, a little ding. No paint off PDR. That's about it. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this. And your tire tread is just at over 6/32. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks nice. Front fender here looks good. Front passenger rim looks nice with no curbing. And tire tread, it's at 8/32. Folks, lights are working. Things are running smooth. Folks, once again, this is the 2017 Ford Mustang, the EcoBoost premium package, with 14,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.